look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. Whoops, missed it. There it is. EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times weird. Oh, yeah. So today's topic is, I don't know. I mean, it depends on the medium that you're creating in, but today's topic, today's topic is, in the news today, is what is your favorite art supply store? I know, right? It's like, well, I'm a photographer. So for me as a photographer, I do dabble on the notepad thing and like some pens and stuff like that. So I do dabble at times, but let's get real here. As a photographer and filmmaker, the majority of my supplies would be Apple, Leica, more Leica, small rig, Benro. Geez, what else do we use? Joby, and that Italian one. Oh gosh, it's in my bag. It's like right there. I don't remember. I'm totally drawing a blank. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I've been using, these are my consistent products I've been using for quite some time. So, yeah, those are my art supplies. But if I was drawing, then it would be Crayolas. So, what do you guys use? Totally share them down in the basement, down below in the comments. I'd love to be able to learn about the uh, art supply store that you go to. What are your favorite supplies that you like to use to create with? As filmmakers and photographers, it's almost the same, but as a writer and people that maybe use like sculpting materials and stuff like that, it's a bit different. So share below. All right, let's wrap it up. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. Oh, we got it. EPHQ. And this was another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and a bit weird. And if you're a subscriber, yay! If you're not a subscriber, become one. And make sure you hit the bell so you can be notified and ding dong and a raven. And I'll maybe even show up at your door and go, hello, new episode of Raw 365. And until next time, remember to do what? Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.